Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today is our quarterly release. I'm so excited today because I have two beautiful spring bundles sitting in front of me, and I'm excited to finally share them with you. We have Bunnies in Bloom, and we have Springtime Blessings. We also have some brand new enamel dots that coordinate with Bunnies in Bloom. This pack is included in your Bunnies in Bloom kit. It is not in the Springtime Blessings, so if you want the enamel dots, make sure you add that to your cart. So you'll have to tell me down below if you're team Bunnies or team Blessings, or are you team both? So we're going to start off with Bunnies in Bloom. I think this bundle is soft, cheerful, and just full of that happy spring energy. So let's take a look what's inside. You're going to get the beautiful sparkling enamel dots, the Bunnies in Bloom paper pad, beautiful soft colors, perfect for spring, cute little bunnies, gingham, florals, and then you get the coordinating Bunnies in Bloom ephemera. Now you can pick up extras of the ephemera and the paper pad and the enamel dots. The bundle does include the 4x6 stamp set. Bloom with Joy is so adorable. You get that large Bloom with Joy sentiment with a little spot to color in. You get those cute bunnies. Let's take a closer look at the paper pad. For this 6x6 paper pad, you get 4 of each design. The sheets are double-sided. Very high quality printing on here, beautiful patterns. I love the tulips. There's some soft gingham patterns in here, and you get some solids. So those create some great matting for your layers. I love these cute little carrots. Very nice soft orange and yellow. Just perfect for spring. Those cute little chicks are adorable. We've got some Easter eggs and another solid. We have a beautiful green gingham, and on the back here we have really cute bunnies with carrots. Before I share the ephemera, I wanted to share these really cute treat toppers I created. I used the ephemera, I used the stamps, I used the paper. I topped these two with seam binding. I love the cute little bow. And then I have my Jordan almond candies, and I think this turned out so cute. I absolutely had a blast making these. I just love making treat holders, and these were really fun. So not only can you make cards, you can make sweet little gifts as well. So let's take a look at the coordinating ephemera. There's some really pretty eggs in here that have designs on the inside. And the bunnies are so sweet. They look like storybook bunnies. Some have little tutus. I love this collection because it's not too babyish. It's just perfect for everyone. So the bundles are limited in quantities. I'll have the links in the description box if you're interested. You can head on over there. I do a free with 60, so you'll get a free gift with your purchase. And we have free shipping on US orders over $75. I love that you can make cards, but you can also make quick little gifts or classroom treats or spring party favors. It just feels so happy. And if you love soft spring vibes, this one is going to make your heart so happy. I'm going to share the Springtime Blessings bundle with you next. This one has a slightly different feel. The Springtime's Blessings bundle is a little more heartfelt, a little more meaningful, and it was curated by Teresa, who is Creatively Faithful here on YouTube, also known as Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. It still has a beautiful spring feel, but the sentiments and designs lean into encouragement and faith-filled inspiration. And we have a beautiful stencil designed by Stacy Tiedemann. Create great backgrounds with that. We have a beautiful 6x6 stamp set. I think the sentiments and designs lean into encouragement and faith-filled inspiration. We have a beautiful paper pad, Springtime Blessings, 24 designs, 2 of each sheet. They are double-sided. There are some bonus pages, so on the back of the cover you can cut out these images here. So just take your trimmer and trim out these cards, and you could also use a circle die for the top ones or a square die to trim those out. We have some beautiful floral prints, and I love this print. There's many of those in this pack in different colors. You can almost use it as a solid for matting your layers. And just beautiful spring butterflies and just lovely images in this paper pad. You got some faith-based sentiments on the little icons. Just a wonderful paper pad. I'm going to pop in a couple photos from our design team member, Susan. She created these gorgeous cards. Love the cross she created there. And then we have these beautiful bookmarks. She really did an amazing job. The team and I are doing a Instagram hop, so I would love for you to head on over there and check out all the inspiration using the brand new products. I'm going to play a little music as I lay out all the ephemera, and then meet me back on the other side. I would love to share the card that I created using this collection.
Sunshine coming through the window, colors on my desk, paper petals, pastel skies, oh I'm feeling blessed. Scissors dancing, ink pads ready, florals everywhere, little bunnies hopping in, springtime in the air. Oh, it's finally here, the moment we've been waiting for. Spring starts here. Starts here. Gingham lines and butterflies mix and match with ease. Everything just works together, crafting harmony. One is sweet and full of charm, playful, light and bright. One feels calm and full of heart, peaceful craft.
I think this card turned out beautiful. Let me know if you guys want me to do a live release day party later today, maybe like 1 p.m. Central Time. Let me know. I'll create that link if you're interested, if you want to hang out. And I hope you guys love the 2 new bundles. Let me know down below if you're team Bunnies or are you team Blessings, or maybe you're both. So let me know, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for shopping, and maybe I'll see you later today. Bye, guys.